Hey guys, Jason, Surviving Dad Life. Today, I'm going to go through my process on cleaning and treating leather. Let's get to it. Okay, we are in the Acadia, and I'm going to show you guys what I do when I'm cleaning and treating the leather and my favorite products. I've tried numerous products, stuff that you can get like at Walmart or, in the store, and I've found out that that stuff just isn't the greatest. It's not what I prefer anymore. So here's the stuff that I'm going to be using today. Everything that I use now is from P&S. I actually got this stuff from Detailed Image, and it's been my go-to stuff now for the last few days. I absolutely love it. Don't look at the car too much. It's actually pretty filthy. This one has like 4 or 5 kids in it at all times, so it's gonna get the brunt of all the traffic and everything. But these seats have been recently cleaned, as you can tell. They're not all bright and shiny, and they've got a matte finish, and they feel amazing. But anyway, I always clean the leather with this P&S Express Interior Cleaner. Using a color lock brush. I love these brushes. And today, after I clean it, I'm going to do a little 50-50, and I'm going to wipe it off with this rag so y'all can see how much dirt is coming off. And then I'll apply P&S's leather treatment. This stuff smells absolutely amazing, and it makes the leather feel awesome. But I'm going to apply it with this applicator, let it dry for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to wipe it off with this towel. Oops, sorry about that. But anyway, I'm going to mask off the center console. You can see it's all bright and shiny, and it's actually filthy. But I'm going to mask that off and then clean it and let you guys see the before and after. Okay, hopefully that stays focused where you guys can see this stuff. I'm going to run me a tape line, hopefully close to the center. It probably won't be straight, if at all. Oh, and then let's just lay this down here to help any spray get on it. Like I was saying earlier, this is my P&S Interior Cleaner. I love this stuff. I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake. Okay, I'll squirt that stuff down. This color lock brush, you don't have to have one, but I love this brush. This thing does an amazing job. The interior cleaner has like a fruity smell to it. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's got like a sweet smell to it. Okay. Then we're gonna... I don't know how well you guys can see that. Okay. That's just from the center console. Then get this to dry. Peel up the tape. Dry that real quick. Alright. Hopefully you guys can see that. The side that's at the bottom of your screen there, that's going to be the clean side. This side's going to be the dirty side, and you can see the line right there is just to how filthy those seats are, or this armrest was. Anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning up this center console right here, and then the back seat is like disgusting. So I might do that whole seat and put that in here. I don't know if you guys want to stick around for watching that whole thing. But anyway, I'll finish getting this cleaned up, and then y'all can see after. Okay, that's from, you can see that's from just the center console. That's how filthy it was. Anyway, I'm going to get to a dry side of this towel, wipe it down again, make sure it's plenty dry. And then we're going to apply P&S's leather treatment. This stuff, the cleaner smells really good. It's like a fruity, citrusy thing, but this stuff smells like just straight leather. Anyway, I'm just going to kind of squirt it out on me a little bit on this applicator. Wipe it in. Okay. Go over it real well, make sure I don't miss any spots. Okay, and then once you apply that, you're supposed to wait. The instructions say to wait 10 minutes or 20 minutes and then wipe it off. And then we'll give that 10 minutes, I'll wipe it off and then let you guys check it out. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna wipe it down, and mainly when you wipe it down is to even it out, pick up any excess material that might be on here. But this will still look a little bit shiny, and in a few more minutes the stuff will give like a light matte finish. And hope you guys can see that, but this stuff makes the leather look incredible. So it's been cleaned and treated, and it looks great. So now let's flip around here to the back. The rest of this video, I'm going to be cleaning out this back seat, and the only reason I'm doing it is, well, you guys can see that. So I'll get to cleaning that up, and then we'll get back with you guys. Alright, you hear people do those disaster videos, or see them do them, and man, why is it so? And how everybody thinks it's staged or it's fake or whatever. This one, no. Okay, floorboard next to the seats, actual seats, and you can see right here, I don't know what that is, all this junk, and then whatever that is again, some more of it right there. Anyway, I'm just going to tackle this side of the seat and let you guys check it out. Okay, P&S interior cleaner. Look at how filthy the seats are. This stuff works freaking phenomenal. Alright. Man, this stuff, these seats feel amazing after you clean them with this. I mean, that feels so amazing, I sometimes don't want to put the leather treatment on it. Okay. Then that all through. Now here's the seats after being cleaned. All that big gunk and white crap is off of it now. Okay. Alright, the P&S leather treatment. I'm going to give it a couple lines. Okay. And then, like every detailer has a trick, I guess, or knows the trick of massaging it into the applicator. That way when you go and lay down your treatment, it doesn't get in the little holes that are all in this leather. Oop. I don't know what happened, guess I had some technical difficulties, but I'm laying down this P&S leather treatment now. Alright, I'll give it 10 minutes and then we'll wipe it off. Alright, same old spill, it's been about 10 minutes. We're going to wipe off the excess. I wish you guys could smell this stuff. This stuff is awesome. And it makes the leather feel amazing afterwards once it's fully set in and all that. It feels amazing. But anyway, that's going to be your clean seat. Anyway, that's how I clean my leather seats. That's my go-to products, the stuff I like to use. This is the first things I've ever used from P&S, and so far I love it. It's great stuff. I wish I'd have discovered it a long time ago, because there's some leather stuff that I've used in the past that just wasn't that great, and I feel like I wasted my money off it. Anyway, I'll put the link down in the descriptions of the products that I use, starting off this Color Lock brush. This thing works great when you're cleaning. And then, like I said earlier, I team it up with P&S interior cleaner, and then I finish it off with P&S's leather treatment. Anyway, that's going to be my video. That's how I take care of my seats. You guys go down in the comments and like, subscribe, and on those comments, just whatever you got to say, go ahead and say it. I got thick skin, I can handle criticism and all that stuff, but help me out, help me make better edit videos, help me, you know, learn what products y'all guys would like to see, or just how I do things around here. But anyway, I got other stuff to do. I got more work to do around the house, so y'all get out of here. You're bothering me.